Hello guys! Welcome from another episode of Newcomers Guide Series with Teresa and Jane. So today, we will guide you on how to access your Conestoga email. It is very important, especially for upcoming students who must be updated for important school announcements and also for accessing your student available portals.
Yeah, Jane, this is right. First, you'll be receiving an email from Conestoga on your registered personal email address with your Conestoga's login details and password information. After that, to get access on your Conestoga email, you can go to the Conestoga IT website. Once you are on that IT webpage, you can select Office 365.
That's right, Teresa. Now you can already log in using your Conestoga email address and password.
Another option is download the Outlook app from the search bar. If you have any issue to know your login, password, or access your Conestoga email, please contact the IT team. They are ready to help you with that.
So guys, if you find this video is very useful information, please hit like button and don't forget to subscribe.
See you again on the next video.
Bye!